Hey guys, this is Andres, and today I will be showing you how to set up your Shopify store for furniture sales. This is mostly for people that already have a retail showroom. Whether you're an owner, whether you're a manager, or just starting out, this could be a great activity for you to bring in more sales, building your online presence and being omni-channel, taking advantage of already the infrastructure that you have going on and the customer base that you've already built. So if you're like me, you work that one, you own one, and now you want to see how you can bring in more revenue through the online presence since you know you already have that people walking in, but once they walk out, they don't have anywhere to see your store, online from the comfort of their house. So if you already have a retail store, chances are you already have WonderSign. You're familiar with WonderSign. What is WonderSign if you don't know? It's basically a software for retail stores where you have a kiosk that you can show your whole product base from different vendors, colors, categories, and it's kind of like the endless aisle that you can show for. But within WonderSign, there is the e-commerce connector you can see here, and it can connect to Shopify, BigCommerce, or WooCommerce. So the cool thing about WonderSign is that they have thousands of products, thousands of categories, thousands, not thousand, but definitely they have multiple vendors in there. As you can see right here, these are all vendors with multiple products, multiple SKUs that you can download into your Shopify store today. It shouldn't take more than, I would say, 12 to 24 hours to have thousands of SKUs in your Shopify store by tomorrow if you start this today. So um, I would say the first thing first is start your free trial on Shopify. Go through the questionnaire. It's a simple 2 to 3 minutes, with your email, your name, your password, and then you register, right? And then the next thing that you're going to do once you're in Shopify, you're going to go to the sales channel like you see here in the online. You go to themes, and after you go to themes, you can add a free one. Just go browse through the free ones that they have, see the one that you like the most and the one that you connect the most, and how you see your website showing to other people once you put your product in there. After that, you want to go to settings right here on the left hand corner. Then you want to go to domains, and then you want to go buy a new domain, right? What is your domain going to look like? It could be the name of your store.com. It could be the initials of your store.com, or it could be kind of like mine. Mine is afo.furniture. I like that, and it was available. You got to make sure if it's available. So, first step settings, second domain, three, buy new domain, and four, make sure that your domain is now your primary landing point. After that, you're gonna have to go to talk to the WonderSign rep if you already have WonderSign. Um, Give them a call, say, hey, I just have my Shopify store ready. I have a domain, I have a theme. All I need from you guys is to connect your WonderSign app to my Shopify store. And then you can, ask them regarding the product, the vendor, the category that you want to focus on. And then something like this would look like once you are all set up. With WonderSign, it's super cool because everything is ready. I mean, they even have the inventory stock, they have the type, the vendor, everything is ready. Pictures, everything, everything. So it's like I said, it's a plug and play. It's pretty quick. And then after that, this is what you want your store to look like. This is what my store looks like. Um, you have multiple tabs if that's what you want to do. You want to sell multiple products, that's what you want to do. I would suggest starting with a specific category and a specific vendor, in my opinion. That way you can kind of get your feet wet, and that way you're not having to like fix or what's the word I'm looking for? You're not going to have to like worry about thousands of SKUs if you just focus first on the first, few categories that you want to sell, whether it's, in this instance, let's just say I focused at the very beginning on sectionals. As you can see here, I have a bunch of sectionals that I've delivered to people's homes, and I focused on sectionals. But before focusing just on sectionals, I'd have to decide which vendor I wanted to um, do. Right, I focused mostly on Ashley as it's one of the top sellers, most SEO vendors out there, and that we carried, of course. So you have to see what you carry. Most likely WonderSign has it, and if they do, try to pick a category that you've already done well in your retail store that you want to put into your online store. Now, you are more than welcome to just say, hey, WonderSign, I want to download everything for all the products and but like I said, it's going to be overwhelming. So you want to just niche down first, build your website from the bottom, up to broad. So narrow down and then start building, get familiar with Shopify. Um, and that's that. I mean, so just to recap, guys, Shopify, start your trial. After that, pick up your theme, pick a free theme, just to start out with. And then after your theme, get your domain, your .com. After your domain, call WonderSign. After you call WonderSign, tell them you want to be a Shopify connector so they can link you in. I believe right now I pay it roughly $300 a month for the Shopify connector. Yours might be less or more depending on your situation. And then after that, like I said, it's going to look like this. And in my next couple of videos, I'm going to show you a more in-depth of what the inside looks and how we could get your website to look like this with many tabs, many categories, many vendors, so that people can scroll through. All right, and I want to show you some results because I know this works. Over the past 20 months, we've done $1.77 million. We've sold almost $1 million in point of sale, which means, I do have a lot of experience in the retail sector, as well as 641,000 plus all of these, which make another 750 in online. So like I said, we were on omni-channel. Now we're mostly e-commerce, just online. But like I said, you are very powerful if you're omni-channel, if you have your retail store and you optimize for your online conversions. As you can see, our conversion rate, we started at 0% and we went all the way to 45%. And then our average order value, started very low up to 1361. So I know for a lot of you out there, you guys are sitting on a gold mine. You guys just need to move your product onto the online sector and promote it and have that ability for people to walk into your store, say they don't really like anything, but you're giving your business card, hey, when you get home, check our website. We have thousands of products. If they don't have time to just stand in your store looking at the kiosk and just browse through. If you like something, give us a call, and here's a discount just for looking at our website. So like I said, this is perfect for anybody that has no online presence and you want to sell more. This will bring you more revenue, 100% guaranteed. And that's that for this video. If you like this video, please subscribe. Message me on the chat box if you need to, and I'll be with you. Thank you so much. Bye bye.